Hi, this is Chef Brad, America's Grain Guy from the WonderMill WonderMix Company with another helpful hint on what to do with your slicer shredder attachment. In here, I put in the coarsest potato drum in there. And so I'm going to show you how to make breadcrumbs. This is great if you have bread that you feel like you're not going to eat. You can cut it up. I toss it in a little bit of oil and just put it in the oven and bake it until it's crispy. And then I take my baked bread and I just come over here and just fill it up, turn it on, and press down. And just like that, I have breadcrumbs. And guess what? These breadcrumbs that have been baked, they have a great shelf life. And they're great to add to meatballs and extend your meat. There's so many things you can do with breadcrumbs. Another helpful hint from the WonderMill WonderMix Company on how to use your attachments.